Well guys, it's finally here. Before I start the video, I just want to say pardon the noise. My 3D printers are running, so what can I do about it? But anyways guys, check this out. I picked this up from Walmart for a holiday deal. It was $129 shipped to my door, so I thought it was a pretty good deal. So this is the Respawn RSP-110 Pro reclining gaming chair. Am I a gamer? If you count Switch gaming, I guess so. Other than that, that's mostly an editing station, so I don't even really game too much. But this chair is really starting to hurt my butt, so it was time to upgrade. Well, and here are all the parts. It doesn't seem like a whole lot. They do include the hardware and the tool that you need to put everything together. Your instruction manual is here. Let's get started on this thing. And there we have it, all built. Honestly, it was very easy to build. This took 10 minutes, if that, to fix. And the only reason why it took me a little bit was because, I don't know if you can tell, but this side is straight and this side is crooked a little bit. This screw hole down here came a little bit bent. So, but no big deal. I'm not gonna knock them for that.